Hello friends, welcome back to my creative channel to watch more creative videos on attendance system. We have seen lot of videos on attendance system. We have seen lot of videos on attendance system using Streamline. We have seen lot of videos on attendance system using TK Interlibrary. We have seen face and detection and recognition with attendance using Streamline using TK Inter. One thing was common in each and every video. What was common? The thing was common was the data was saved in tabular format. Attendance was saved in tabular format, like CSV file, Excel file. That was common. So today we are going to see attendance stored in pickle file. So let us go through what is pickle file in Python. I will explain in brief about pickle and then we'll continue with the program. Python pickle. During application development, we often need to persist complex data like object for use in different runtime. However, maintaining persistence within complex data structure and object is far more straightforward. Data structure in the sense data is stored in the form of list, tuple, data dictionary. We have seen a lot of videos on attendance system where data is stored in dictionary format, key and value pair. In Python, you can use built-in pickle library to handle this process. Pickle can serialize a Python object into a flat byte stream, pickling, as well as transform a byte stream back to Python object, unpickling. When persisting complex data, you need to represent in flat stream of bytes to store it on disk and send it over the network. This process of transforming object structure into byte stream is called serializing, and when our application reads or receives the byte stream, it performs reverse process transformation. It is into our object structure. This process is called deserializing. So, thank you. So that is all about the pickle. Now we will go through the program. First of all, we will go through the program code. Here I imported the pickle. You can see here. Now I will execute the program. Yes, fine. Now I will do registration first. Sanjay, accept, registration done successfully. Now we will see the pickle file is generated or not. Here fields in DB. Yes, my pickle file is generated. Two pickle file previously it was generated. So this name, so pickle file is generated. So I successfully done with attendance system using pickle in Python. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. I will be back with more and more creative videos on new concepts, new technology, new ideas on Python, data science, and hopefully I will start data science after some days. Then machine learning using Python, then Streamline using Python, then web development using Python, if possible React.js, Node.js. Thanks for watching. So keep watching my videos on youtube.com.